The rapid expansion of floating photovoltaic FPV systems requires specialized infrastructure capable of withstanding unique environmental stressors. TPC Solar is proud to introduce the TUV to PfG 2962 PV1500-SWR Solar Floating Cable, a premium connectivity solution engineered specifically for nearshore and inland water-based solar installations. Floating solar arrays face constant exposure to high humidity, UV radiation, and salt mist, which can degrade standard cables and lead to system failure. This product is certified cables address these challenges with high-performance XLPO insulation and jacking. This ensures superior water and salt mist resistance, alongside enhanced insulation integrity for long-term reliability in harsh conditions. Rated voltage 1500 VDC, optimized for high-capacity utility-scale projects. Temperature resilience, operational range from -40 degrees Celsius to +90 degrees Celsius. Durability, high UV stability, and tin-stranded copper conductors for maximum conductivity and corrosion resistance. Versatility, available in cross-sections from 2.5 square millimeters up to 16 square millimeters to suit various system designs. At TPC Solar, we are committed to driving the renewable energy transition by providing very direct, high-quality components that ensure the longevity of your investment. At TPC Solar, we provide high customer value, customer support, product warranty, products with complete certifications. TPC Solar is pleased to announce international shipping of our products with a particular focus on the Middle East. TPC Solar is committed to providing reliable service and ensuring that our solar solutions reach clients efficiently. Visit us at tpcsolars.com.